Children, it is a next part of the solution of hot questions for 100% score. Now you take the first question. The seventh term of an AP is 4 times its second term. Seventh term of an AP is 4 times its second term. And 12th term is 2 more than 3 times of its fourth term. Find the progression. Here, what is given? Seventh term. Seventh term means A7 is equals to what? 4 times its second term. 4 times A2. So A7 means you can write A plus 6D equals 4 into A2 means A plus D. Then it becomes A plus 6D equals 4A plus 4D. 4 into A, 4A. 4 into D, 4D. Now you bring D one side and A one side. You take 6D minus 4D equals 4A minus A. Transfer this 4D to the LHS and A to the RHS. Then it equals 60 minus 4D is 2D. 2D is equals to 3A. 4A minus A is 3A. So D equals 3A by 2. So you consider this is the first relation. Then you take the second relation. 12th term is 2 more than 3 times of its fourth term. 12th term is 2 more than 3 times of its fourth term. So you take 12th term means 8, 12. 2 more. 2 more means it becomes plus 2. 2 more than what? 3 times of its fourth term. 3 times of its fourth term is 3 into A4. So the relation becomes 3A4 plus 2. A12 equals 3 into A4 plus 2. 12th term is 2 more than the 3 times of the fourth term. Then you write A12. A12 is A plus 11D equals 3 into A4 is A plus 3D plus 2. Then you write A plus 11D equals 3A plus 3 into 3D. 3 into A is 3A and 3 into 3D. 3 into 3D is 9D plus 2. Then in the place of D you write 3A by 2. So you will get A plus 11 into 3A by 2 plus 3A plus 9 into 3A by 2 plus 2. Then it becomes A plus 11 threes are 33A by 2 plus, right, it is not plus, it is equals. So right, that equals 3 into A plus 9 threes are 27A by 2 plus 2. Now you take the LCM on both the side. Here you take the LCM, 2 it is, and 2 into A, 2A plus 33A equals, here the LCM is 2. So 3A into 2 is 6A plus 27A plus 2 2s are 4. Then you can cancel this 2 and this 2 because they are in the denominator on both the side. Then 2A plus 3A becomes 33. 2A plus 33A is 35A equals, then 27A plus 6A is 33A plus 4. Then you transfer this 33A to the LHS, that becomes 35A minus 33A equals 4. So 33A minus 35A minus 33A is 2A. 2A equals 4. So you got A equals 4 by 2 equals 2 you got. A equals 4 by 2. Then Here we must find the value of d. D equals 3a by 2 is there. So you write d equals 3a by 2, that is 3 into a is 2, 2 by 2. So you will get 3. What is the value of d? D you got 3. Here what you have to find out? We have to find the progression. Progression means we have to find 3 or more terms. So you write here a1 means a, that is 2. a2 means a1 plus d, that is a1 is a, that is 2 you got. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then a3 equals a2 plus d, a2 is 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So the AP, therefore the AP is 2, 5, 8, so on. So write 2, 5, 8, so on. Now the second question, in an AP 3, 8, 13, so on to 53, find the 20th term from last term. Here we have to find the 20th term from the last term 253. There are two methods to find. So here if you take this 3, 8, 13, so on to 253, or otherwise by taking in the reverse manner, 253, so on to 13, 8, 3. And here you observe the value of d. If you take 3 minus 8, d becomes minus 5. If you start from 3, then d becomes 8 minus 3. But here you know that 3 minus 8, here 8 minus 3 means 5. 3 minus 8 means minus 5 you will get, because here you will get the numbers in the decreasing order. So d becomes negative. If you take the 253 as a first term, so if you take like this way, that becomes a is equals to 253 and d equals, you take 3 minus 8, that is minus 5, or otherwise you take the last but term here, then also you will get the same value, d is equals to minus 5. Then what you have to find out? Here n equals 20, a n equals question mark. Now you write the formula for an. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d. That is an is 820 equals a is 253 plus n is 20 minus 1, d is minus 5. Then you write a20 equals 253, 20 minus 1 is 19, plus you write 19 into minus 5. Then a20 equals 253, 19 5s are 95, that is minus 95. So you get 253 minus 95, that is 13 minus 5, 8, and 14 minus 9, 5. You will get 158, that is a20 is equals to 158. You can write 20th term from the last term 258 is 253. 253 is 158. Or also you can use the second method. Alternate method you can use here, that is taking it as it is, 3, 8, 13, 253 as it is, 3, 8, 13, so on 253. Here the formula starting from L, the formula is there, an equals, that is starting from L minus n minus 1 into d. Here the sign, this becomes minus, and in the place of a you will get a, d is positive only. So you take last term. Last term is L equals 253. And D is same you take, that is 8 minus 3. D equals 8 minus 3, that equals 5. And N equals, you take 20th term from the last term. The formula changes here. Then you write Ln equals, that is the nth term from the last term, equals what? That is L minus n minus 1 into D. Ln means that is L 20. L is here 253 minus n is 20 minus 1 into D is 5. Then L 20 equals 253 minus 19 into 5, that is L 20 equals 253 minus 95, same value you will get, that is how much? 158. 158. Question number 3. Prove that cot square 90 degree minus A divided by tan square minus 1 plus cosec²A divided by sec²A minus cosec²A equals 1 by sin²A minus cos²A. Now you consider the LHS. LHS equals, what is that? You take that cot square 90 degree minus A whole divided by tan²A minus 1. That equals, before that also you take this plus cosec²A by sec²A minus cosec²A. That equals cot 90 minus A is tan, you know. So you write in the place of cot square 90 minus A, you write tan²A. That divided by tan²A minus 1 plus cosec²A, that divided by sec²A minus cosec²A. Then that equals, here you express tan²A in terms of sin²A by cos²A. You know that tan is equals to sin by cos. So you write it as sin²A by cos²A. This also you write sin²A by cos²A minus 1. And you write plus. Here you express cosec²A is the reciprocal of 1 by sin²A. So you write it as 1 by sin²A. Cosec²A is 1 by sin²A. And sec²A is 1 by cos²A minus cosec²A is 1 by sin²A. Then you write here whole, you can write. Here you write it as it is, sin²A by cos²A. Here you take the LCM. What is the LCM? cos²A is the LCM. cos²A. The numerator becomes sin²A minus 1 into cos²A is cos²A. Then you write plus. Here you write the numerator as it is, 1 by sin²A. And here you take the LCM. LCM is the product of cos²A and sin²A. So you write cos²A into sin²A. So the numerator becomes 1 into sin²A minus 1 into cos²A. Then you write here, write that sin²A by cos²A into, into you take the reciprocal of this. That is cos²A comes cos²A divided by sin²A minus cos²A. So this whole becomes like this way. Here what you have taken, we have written this as it is, and we have taken the reciprocal of this. So into the reciprocal of the denominator. Then you write plus. Now come to this one. And you write this one as it is. 1 by sin²A into the reciprocal of this one. That is cos²A into sin²A, that divided by sin²A minus cos²A. So this whole is this one, and this whole is this one. That equals cos²A, cos²A cancels, cos², this and this cancels. Because this is in the numerator, this is in the denominator, so you can cancel them. So you write this one, sin²A. Here what is remaining? This is remaining. You write sin²A minus cos²A. This one is completed. Next you write plus. Plus, here sin²A cancels. Here what is remaining? 1 into cos²A is cos²A. That divided by what is remaining here? sin²A minus cos²A. Then you write here sin²A minus cos²A is there. Here also sin²A minus cos²A is there. So you can take the LCM as sin²A minus cos²A. And here both these sides are having, sin²A minus cos²A. So you add this. The denominators are same. Add the numerators. So it becomes sin²A plus cos²A. Then you know what is the sum of the sin²A plus cos²A. There is an identity that sin²A plus cos²A is equals to 1. So you can write it as 1 by sin²A minus cos²A. Sin²A minus cos²A, that is equals to RHS. So you got that cot²A 90 minus A divided by tan²A minus 1 plus cosec²A by sec²A minus cosec²A equals 1 by sin²A minus cos²A. You got the RHS, you got same as here. So you got. Now you take the fourth question. 1 minus tan²A by 1 plus tan²A equals 2 cos²A minus 1. Now you take here LHS. LHS equals 1 minus tan²A by 1 plus tan²A. And here you express 1 minus tan²A in terms of 1 minus sin²A by cos²A. And 1 plus tan²A, you know that is sec²A. Also you can express this in terms of sin by cos. Otherwise you can write this also. Then it becomes, right, take the LCM here. LCM is cos²A. And the numerator becomes cos²A minus sin²A. That now we write the reciprocal of sec²A. You know that is the reciprocal of cos. So you write cos²A. Now you write this into reciprocal of this. So write cos²A minus sin²A by cos²A into reciprocal of 1 by cos²A is cos²A by 1. So if you take into, you must write this in the interchange form of the numerator and denominator. So the reciprocal of 1 by cos², you take cos² by 1. You know that here these two cancels, and what you got here, cos²A minus sin²A. Here we have to express this in terms of cos only, so you convert this sin into cos again. That becomes cos²A minus, you know that sin²A plus cos²A equals 1. Then you can write sin²A equals 1 minus cos²A. So you can use this here. That becomes 1 minus cos²A. That equals cos²A, open the bracket, minus 1 plus cos²A. Here you got, in the place of sin²A, you got 1 minus cos²A, and if you open the bracket, you will get minus 1 plus cos²A. Cos²A plus cos²A, you will get 2 cos²A. That equals 2 cos²A minus 1. Here, that you have to prove. You got it. That equals what? Equals RHS. You got that, equals RHS. Equals RHS. Therefore you can write, therefore 1 minus tan²A by 1 plus tan²A equals 2 cos²A minus 1. Now you take the fifth question. What is that question? Drinking glass is in the shape of a frustum of cone of height 14 cm. The diameters of its ends are 4 cm and 2 cm. Find the capacity of the glass. Here, observe the shape of the glass, that is in the shape of frustum of cone of height 14 cm. So you take h equals 14 cm. Then the diameters are 4 cm and 2 cm. So the radius becomes, so you take this is R1. R1 equals 4 by 2, that is 2 cm. And R2 equals 2 by 2, 1 cm. Here you write R1 equals 4 by 2 equals 2 cm. R2 equals 2 by 2 equals 1 cm. And h equals 14 cm. As the glass is in the shape of frustum of cone, we have to use the formula to find the volume of the frustum of cone. So you write the formula to find the volume of frustum of cone. Volume of frustum of cone equals, what is that formula? 1 by 3 by h into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2, that equals 1 by 3, pi value is 22 by 7, h is 14, R1 square is 2 square, R2 is 1 square plus R1 into R2 is 2 into 1, R1 square, R2 square, R1 into R2 we have to take 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1. Then 1 by 3 into 7 ones are 7 twos are 22 twos are 44 into 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 is 2. Then you write 1 by 3 into 44 into 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 2 7. Then 44 into 7, 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28 plus 2, 30. So you'll get 308 by 3. You can divide 308 by 3. You will get 3 ones are 3, 0, 0 means 0 you take, 8, 8 means 3 2s are 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2, point to write, 0, 6 is 80, again 2, 0, 6, 6. So here 6 is recurring, that you can write 102.66 cm cube, or approximately you can write 102.67 cm cube, as 6 is recurring. So you can take approximately it is 6,7. That is, the capacity of the glass is 102.67 cm cube, or otherwise you can write 308 divided by 3 cm cube.